There's a place just outside Austin where the noise fades, where goats greet you and chickens chase butterflies, where your kids feed ducks instead of scrolling phones. It's not just a farm, it's a celebration of life. We call it Homestead Celebration, and we need your help to help it grow. Every animal here has a name and a story. Every tour sparks laughter, curiosity, and peace. You see eyes light up when someone touches a rabbit for the first time. You see what happens when people connect with the earth again. We've built something magical, but we're only getting started. With your support, we'll grow new gardens and rescue more animals. We'll create learning stations for schools and shelters for guests. We'll bring more people back to nature, one joyful visit at a time. This isn't just about tours, it's about teaching what matters. Teaching kids where food comes from. Teaching families how to live gently with the land. Every dollar builds something real. Every share spreads the message. Will you join us on this journey back to nature?